Hello and welcome, sweet-toothed explorers. My name is Versatile Vista, your guide on this aromatic journey through the world of chocolate. Together we'll uncover the secrets of the cocoa bean and learn how it transforms from a simple tropical fruit into the heavenly delight we all crave. We'll delve into the history, the art, and the science of chocolate making, taking you behind the scenes of your favorite treat. So sit back, grab a piece of your favorite chocolate, and let's embark on this sweet adventure. Remember, there's a world of wonder in every bite. And in our next scene, we'll unravel the mystery of chocolate. Stay tuned. Ever wondered how your favorite chocolate is made? Well, buckle up as we dive into the sweet, not-so-dark secrets of chocolate making. Chocolate, that heavenly concoction that has been tickling our taste buds for centuries, has a history as rich as its flavor. It dates back to ancient Mesoamerica, where the Mayans and Aztecs used cacao beans to create a bitter beverage, a far cry from the sweet treat we know today. Fast forward a few centuries, and here we are indulging in a variety of chocolates, from dark and bitter to sweet and creamy. But what's the magic ingredient? The humble cacao bean, grown primarily in the tropical regions of the world. Yes, that's right. Your favorite sweet delight starts its journey in the warm, sun-kissed lands of Africa, South America, and Asia. So, the journey of your beloved chocolate starts in the tropical regions of the world with the humble cacao bean. But how does it turn into the sweet delight we all love? You might be surprised to know that the cacao bean is a bit of a Jekyll and Hyde. It starts life bitter, but with a bit of coaxing, it reveals its sweet side. Let's dive into the transformation process. After the cacao beans are harvested, they're left to ferment. Now, this isn't a wild Friday night kind of fermentation. It's more of a cozy, tucked in, a blanket kind of ferment. This process takes about 5 to 7 days, and it's crucial for developing those chocolatey flavors we all love. Next, the beans are dried, but not in a boring old food dehydrator kind of way. No, these beans are sunbathers, basking under the tropical sun, absorbing all the warmth and getting a nice, even tan. After about a week of this intense sunbathing session, the beans are ready for the next step. Roasting? Imagine a beach party around a bonfire. That's what roasting is for the cacao beans. The heat from roasting brings out the chocolatey aroma and flavor, turning the beans from sunbathers to superstars. Once the beans have had their moment in the spotlight, it's time for them to shed their outer shells. This process, called winnowing, separates the outer husk from the cacao nibs, the heart of the cacao bean. And voila, we have cacao nibs, but don't get too excited. We're still miles away from the chocolate bar. Ever heard of conching? No, it's not a shell, it's the next step in our chocolate adventure. Now, brace yourself for a journey into the heart of the chocolate-making process, where the magic really happens. After the cacao beans have been roasted and cracked, we're left with something called nibs. These nibs are like the raw, uncut gems of the chocolate world. They're ground up into a paste, producing what's known as chocolate liquor. And no, sadly, it's not the sort of liquor you'd find at a bar. This chocolate liquor is the foundation of all things chocolate, but it's not quite there yet. This is where conching comes in. Imagine a dance party, but instead of people, it's chocolate particles. They're grinding and grooving together, getting to know each other on a molecular level. Sounds fun, right? During this process, we add in sugar, milk, and other ingredients, depending on the type of chocolate we're making. This dance party lasts anywhere from a few hours to a few days, and it's what gives chocolate its smooth, velvety texture and irresistible flavor. The conching process is a bit like matchmaking. We're helping all these different elements find their perfect partners, creating a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. After hours of grinding and grooving, our chocolate is finally looking and tasting like, well, chocolate, but we're not done yet. Hold on to your taste buds, folks. The best is yet to come. Our chocolate's almost ready, it just needs a bit of a makeover. And so we venture into the glamorous world of tempering. This is where our chocolate gets its shine and snap like a diva preparing for a grand entrance. It's a delicate dance of heating and cooling, a process that might have you believe we're running a chocolate spa here. Once our chocolate is looking its glossy best, it's time to pour it into molds. Picture a chocolate catwalk where our star is strutting its stuff into shape, but don't let the glitz and glamour fool you. This is serious business. Each mold is filled with precision, ensuring the perfect chocolate experience. Now, like any true superstar, our chocolate needs time to chill before it's ready for the spotlight. It's off to the cooling room where it'll set and harden. It's not being aloof, it's just firming up its resolve. And there you have it, from a bitter bean to a sweet melt-in-your-mouth treat. That's the life story of your favorite chocolate. Now, who's up for a chocolate tasting?